Hello, this is Summer from Fuling Hardware. I think you should have seen our products, right? Yeah, let me introduce our company's main products. Our main product is the furniture accessory, prank stand, and the cell bracket and other hardware products. If you want to know more about our products, let me show you how to find our website.
First, open Google search for Fuling table leg and then enter the home page of the website. You can see the production videos, products, and other information. Back to the top, click products and you can see the product catalog on the left. Click the product to view the details. If you are interested in our products, you can click the right to contact us or click contact us, which has our email address and telephone number. You can also write down your name, emails, and requirements and send it to us.